Good evening. We are learning more about the family of a 3-year-old girl whose body was found stuffed inside of a duffel bag in their home late last week. Thanks for joining us here at 6. I'm Denise Valdez.
And I'm Brian Loftus. The mother accused of killing her daughter is being held without bail. Investigators made the grim discovery at the home near Lake Mead and Hollywood Boulevards Thursday night after Thomas reported her daughter missing. 8 News Now reporter Karen Castro live in the newsroom with a new element to this developing story.
Well, Brian and Denise, last June, CPS opened an investigation after receiving a report of child abuse, but they closed the case after not being able to contact the family, and the agency says they didn't have enough evidence to substantiate the claims. Now, in the murder case against the mother, prosecutors are making sure she doesn't get out of jail, at least until they file criminal charges.
This defendant was arrested on Thursday. We are requesting until tomorrow, Tuesday, for the filing of a criminal complaint.
Aisha Thomas appears to be crying during a court appearance Monday morning. She's accused of killing her daughter, 3-year-old Deja.
We have an arrest report. We have bare allegations and no charges.
The public defender for the 29-year-old mother suggested her bail be set at $50,000, given that Thomas doesn't have prior felony convictions and criminal charges haven't officially been filed. Prosecutors disagreed.
Especially considering the fact that we have no verified address and in conjunction with the charges the defendant is facing or potential charges that she's facing.
The judge sided with the prosecutor, saying based on an arrest report and an alleged confession by Thomas, it would be appropriate to keep her in custody without bail.
I'm trying to wake up from a nightmare.
Satumba Stansberry is Deja's grandmother. Her son is the young victim's father. Don Hunt Jr. was arrested last Sunday on an out-of-state warrant unrelated to the murder. Stansberry lives in California and will be in town later this week to figure out details for Deja's funeral, as well as custody for her other 3 grandchildren that were hospitalized. She says 2-year-old twin girls had internal injuries and an 8-month-old baby boy was in stable condition.
And my heart is broken, and I don't think it will ever be the same.
Now, despite what her attorney said in court today, Thomas does have a criminal past. This morning, she pled guilty to a misdemeanor charge for making false statements to a police officer, and she has a pending felony case for theft and insufficient funds. Again, she'll be back in court tomorrow on the murder case. Live in the newsroom, Karen Castro, 8 News Now.